This villa was built in 1899. It's situated in an older neighborhood in Christchurch. The villa got listed with the category B heritage listing. The client's brief was for more space for their growing young family. Our design approach to this project was to make the additions and the alterations stand apart from the heritage villa. A skylight runs along the ridge of the cathedral-style ceiling, which we wrapped in timber to give some warmth and embrace the family in the kitchen, dining and living area. The pergola runs through what we call the garden room. The garden room has been created deliberately as a landscaping structure, and the large glazed areas, including the big sliding doors, make you feel like you're outside. Our greatest success is always having happy clients at the end. And here we created a beautiful addition that perfectly suits their need as a growing family.